Natural history provides a pure example with language of species, advantage, and survival. The good of the species. In this instance, an example would relate to the hunter and gathering lifestyle. Native Americans primarily engaged in behaviors that promoted wellness and survival. These plains areas and densely populated forests contain resources that hosted years of living for Native Americans. Hunter-gatherer lifestyles, as mentioned earlier, provided an abundance of plants and animal food sources for Native Americans. For example, in the spring and summer, Native Americans used spears to catch fish and seeds to grow crops that satisfied appetites. Native Americans also owned tools that consisted of axes, rifles, and various iron goods that aided in survival. Dual inheritance theory. Dual inheritance theories contain some of the core characteristics of evolutionary ecology. A dual inheritance theory is in contrast to other evolutionary ecology perspectives. This theory gives much more importance to culture as part of the evolutionary process. A method of practice Native Americans utilized to fulfill this extension of culture and genes into the future are through medicine and treatment of illnesses. Native Americans believe that a combination of religion, spirituality, herbal medicine, and rituals are used to treat tribe members that have diseases. Examples of these practices include herbal remedies, salves to treat an arthritic condition. Purifying rituals would be accomplished utilizing a religious practice to cleanse the body and spirit. Shamanism is an act that believes that spirits cause illness, and a shaman is a Native American that fights these negative spirits using healing, spiritual strategies. Symbolic healing involves family and friends that rid negative spirits and heal the individual. Some traditional conventional medicine practices include ingesting the bark from a willow tree. This contains acetylsalic acid, also known as aspirin. It is believed by Native Americans to diminish pain and provide comfort. Another form of cleansing involves sweat lodges or a special tea that induces vomiting. This form assists Native Americans in cleansing their spirits and ridding the body of harmful agents. Treatment for Native Americans generally is a slow process that is usually between the healer and person with the illness. Activities that healers may partake in are reflection, emotional awareness, and meditation. The culture and caring for Native Americans towards each other has been active for 40,000 years. This respective culture is shared with other cultures, such as ancient Vedic and Chinese traditions, but the main influential powers came from nature, plants, and animals surrounding them. The above core aspects displayed by Native Americans show care and compassion among the culture. These healing aspects and care pathways are examples on how dual inheritance theory relates in culture and the extension of Native American genes into the future. Without these care and healing techniques, the culture and heritage would soon fade away and the Native American people would become extinct. The above stated theories, behavioral ecology, evolutionary psychology, and dual inheritance theories are important to conserve in relation to the Native American culture. Native Americans are important individuals and carry genuine traditional characteristics that are essential in society today. In order for Native American culture to be preserved and continued, people need to respect their ways and allow opportunity to conduct business the way it has been for 40,000 years. Evolution is the cumulative changes in the properties or characteristics of entities or cultures over time. With this in mind, internal change within the Native American culture may promote positive additions for growth and act as a catalyst in conservation of this American tribal tradition.